Ingredients. You need a baguette, some chopped tomatoes, some mozzarella cheese, and we're going to make our own pesto sauce. We need a big slice of salted butter, some minced garlic, and some fresh basil. And we have some olive oil. Let's start. We're going to cut the baguette now. First, get a baking sheet, add some oil, olive oil, and now we can cut our baguette. Cut your baguette just like 2 centimeters. See? Now we put the baguette pieces onto the tray. Now we cut the fresh basils into small pieces. We're going to make my pesto paste now. First, we turn on the stove. Next, we add 1 big slice of butter. When this melted, we add 3 big scoops of minced garlic. 1, 2, and 3. Now I put the fresh basils in. Now I add the salt. That's enough. Now we give it a stir. Now we're going to apply some pesto paste onto the baguette. Now we can put the tomatoes and cheese onto the baguette. We put the cheese on. We set the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now we are going to put my bruschetta into the oven. Let me get my bruschetta out. Yummy! watching, guys. I will be doing many experiments and cooking with you. Give me a thumbs up if you like my video. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out any fun activities. Remember to check the bell so you don't miss out any notifications. Thanks for watching. See you!